When it hurts like this. We climb the greatest heights. Jump down.
Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. Sorry it's been a while, been really busy. Anyway, let's get back to the projects. Today I'm going to be making some really simple Ouija Planchette coasters. They look fantastic. If I pull it off, it's going to look great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a picture of a reference of a planchette, and then I'm going to get the lettering, put it all together, maybe with a pentagram in there. We'll see what happens. I hope you all enjoy the video.
And how I'll fight. And that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this.
So guys and girls, hope you all enjoyed that video. It's been an awfully fun project and they look fantastic. Really happy with how they turned out and came out quite well. Really happy with them. They're gonna serve well on my desk, put my drinks on. So, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. It all helps. Also, check me out on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. All that's in the description below. I've also got playlists down there so you can check out some other videos. Also, I've got a second channel, JR's Tool Talks, where every week I put up a new video on a tool, a review, my opinion. So if you're really interested in that, go check that out. Hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.